This is a brand new 2015 Kia Optima. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, XM satellite radio, direct injection, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, side curtain airbags, child safety seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an energy-absorbing steering column, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 34 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.